trees and jungle ways. Safari fun begins today. Look, a lion big and strong. We will gladly.
Paul says roar, Emma too.
We can be wild lions too. We can jump with us too. You don't want to reach, you can let us too. Elephant stomps big and slow. With his trunk he says hello. Splashing water, fun all day. Jungle life is here to play. Zebra runs with stripes so neat. Giraffe stands tall on long, long feet. Emma points and Leo cheers. Learning animals brings us near. Wow, look at the animals! Sun goes down in jungle sky. Scow and Emma shout hooray. Let's come back another day.
Thank you for watching. We had so much fun. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Wave goodbye.